In this video, we'll see how to make delicious desi chai, which you can enjoy with any biscuits or drink on its own. Let's get started. Boil 1 cup of water in a vessel and add 2 tea bags. Let it boil, allowing all the flavors to immerse in the water. Add 3 cardamoms, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, 3 to 4 small pieces of ginger. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame and add 1 cup of milk. Add 3/4 can of evaporated milk. I have used a Nestle brand and it is easily available in the market. Add sugar or sugar-free tablet as per taste. Here, I have used sugar-free tablets for my tea. After it boils, simmer and cook it on a medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Delicious desi chai is ready. You can now enjoy it with your favorite biscuits. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe me and click the bell icon. Until next time, goodbye.